this is a wonderfully interesting place. Here and there you have bushes from the Yabukita cultivar, and if we go there, you see the ones that are darker. The first 2, 4, 6 lanes are darker. That is the Benifuki cultivar, which is used for black teas. And then the lighter ones, all the way down, are Beni Hikari. And those two are used for black teas. And then all the way up there, so the ones that go back up the hill in the back, that again is the Yamato Midori cultivar grown from seeds. So in this very tiny area, the producer has 1, 2, 3, 4 different cultivars that all grow together, and he picks them whenever the cultivar is ready and right, and produces them in whichever specification of tea that he wants to make from it. So the Yabukita cultivars and the Yamato Midori Misho are usually used for green teas. Now sometimes he makes a black tea from the Yamato Midori Misho as well, which is actually a very amazing, very light, and is very good to drink as a straight tea, that Yamato Midori cultivar black tea. And then the Beni Hikari, which is the light one. Hikari actually means light, like in light from the sun. So that means that it's Beni means that it's red. It's good for black teas, and Hikari says that it's a lighter color. Whereas the Beni Fuki, Fuki doesn't really administer any meaning to the color, but it's a good cultivar for the production of black teas. But this is also one very interesting tea garden, and I just wanted to show you around because this is also one of my favorites. And if you haven't noticed, there are some fruit trees in the back. They're not from this producer, but some regions in China and Taiwan where they produce Chinese teas, Taiwanese teas, they grow sometimes the tea bushes together with fruit trees, and then it's said that the tea bushes also gain a little bit of that fragrance that comes from those fruit trees. So these fruit trees are mostly plums. They're used for plums because this region, besides tea, is also very known for its production of plums. And I honestly haven't tasted any plum flavor in the tea, so don't know if it's actually doing anything to the tea, but it is one of the natural traits of this specific area, of this specific tea garden. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is a wonderful, very interesting tea garden, and of course all naturally produced, no fertilizer, no chemicals used whatsoever.